Hello students, now in this video let us see a minimization type of problem using the conditions for minimization itself. If minimization type of objective function, then we have to for pivot column we have to see the most positive Zj minus Cj for improved table. Okay, for getting pivot elements, so first of all we get pivot column, and also another thing is that for optimal solution what is required? The required thing is that all Zj minus Cj should be less equal 0. If this thing, then we say the current solution is optimal. While up till now we have been solved for a maximization, in that for pivot column the condition is that it is required most negative Zj minus Cj. Okay, and for optimal solution it requires Zj minus Cj all should be greater equal 0. Now already whenever I have been prepare a video for minimization into maximization, that time I had been revised this thing, but still now in that time I have been reduced the given problem, means the objective function of minimization into maximization, by using a relation maximize Z0 is equal to minus minimum of Z. Using this relation I have been reduced the objective function into maximization type, and then I have been found the optimal solution using our maximization type of conditions, because till yet we have been used this case for each and every example. So that time I have been taught that it is very convenient to remember only one of the thing, as it is easy to reduce into maximization, so we can easily remember this thing. So we will solve the problem using this case. So I have been solved two problems using this case. I have been prepared two videos for that, but now let me solve one problem using this case also, so that you should get that thing also directly from minimization. In that one we are using these cases or these conditions. For pivot column we are looking for most positive Zj minus Cj if required, and for optimal solution we will look to the Zj minus Cj all should be less equal 0. If this satisfies, then we get the optimal solution. If not, we won't get the optimal solution. We have to improve the table using pivot column, pivot row and pivot element. Now for improved table we need pivot element. So first of all we need pivot column, pivot row having same for both of them. For pivot row the condition is same, that is we are looking for minimum positive ratio. Our ratio should be minimum positive. The same condition for pivot row for both type of objective functions. It is not different. Now let us take a problem. Now let us take this problem. Solve minimize Z is equal to 2x1 plus 4x2 plus x3 subject to x1 plus 2x2 minus x3 less equal 5, 2x1 minus x2 plus 2x3 equal to 2, minus x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 greater equal 1, such that x1, x2, x3 greater equal 0. Now whenever the problem is given, there is nothing mentioned, either solve it by minimization type or solve it by maximization type. Nothing is mentioned here. It is our choice, completely it is our choice to solve that problem using any of them. But it must be, now here it should be noted that how many variables it has? 3 variables, 3 constants. number of constants doesn't matter, but the variable matters. If only two variables are there, then you have a choice, you can solve it by graphical method also. But now the variables are increases, so you don't have a choice, so that time you have to use a simplex method only. So now here, for that we need initial simplex table. So for initial simplex table, first of all we need the standard form. So let us write down the standard form. The standard form of given LPP is, what is the standard form? Now in standard form, it is acceptable that the objective function is of minimization type. It doesn't affect. It will be 2x1 plus 4x2 plus x3. Now let me keep them as it is. Subject to. Now here we need equality. Now it is less equal type constant, so it requires a slack variable. A positive quantity we need to add on left hand side so that they becomes equal. This left hand side part is less than this 5. So we need to add something, a non-zero quantity there. So x1 plus 2x2 minus x3 plus s1 equal to 5. Now with this s1 having a coefficient 0 in objective function. Now the second equation or the second constant is nothing but equality. So it remains same. Minus x2 plus 2x3 equal to 2. Now the third constant. Now in third constant it is of greater equal type. So this left hand side is slightly greater or equal to than this 1. So then that time we need to subtract some positive quantity from there, so that sorry, now here this is greater equal, so we need a surplus variable. So it will become minus x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 minus s2 surplus variable. So it will be subtracted and its coefficient is also 0 in objective function. So as such we get the standard form of this LPP. Now such that, what can I say, x1, x2, x3, s1, s2 all are positive, where s1 is a slack variable. It is a slack variable. S2 is a surplus variable. S2 is a surplus variable. Now to get initial basic feasible solution, we setting x1 equal to x2 equal to x3 equal to 0. These are non-basic. These are non-basic variables. So by setting them 0, we get here therefore we get, look at here, x1, x2, x3 0, then this s1 will become s1 equal to 5. Now s1 is greater equal 0, so this is okay. Now what is here, x1, x2, x3 0, so this left hand side will become 0, so we get 0 equal to 2, which is not possible. Now again x1, x2, x3 0, so here this is 0, but this will become minus s2. We get minus s2 is equal to 1, so that gives s2 equal to minus 1, but s2 is greater equal 0. So is this possible? No, this is also not possible. So as these two things are wrong here, so we can say here initial basic feasible solution does not exist. But yet the initial basic feasible solution does not exist, so we won't get the initial simplex table. So here here initial basic feasible solution does not exist. Does not exist because of whom? 0 equal to 2 is not possible and S2 equal to -1. I can say since 0 equal to 2 and S2 equal to -1, because we know we have been subtracted a non-zero or the non-zero and greater than positive quantity here, so that the equality should obtain. So due to these two things, we won't get initial basic feasible solution. So now here also we know, if equality constraint and greater equal constraint is there, that time we need to add an artificial variable, so that these things should get, here we should get, this should be removed, means the initial basic feasible solution should exist. So a slight change in standard form occurs due to that. So our standard form becomes, that will become, also as the here the objective function is of minimization type, so the coefficient of artificial variable is plus m in objective function. So our example will become, or the standard form will become, minimize z equal to 2x1 plus 4x2 plus x3 plus 0s1 plus 0s2 as it is. Now here we need one artificial variable, let it be a1, and here also we need one artificial variable, let it be a2. So two artificial variable and both have the coefficient plus m. So here this m is sufficiently large quantity. If the problem is of maximization type, then here we get minus m is the coefficient of these artificial variables. Subject to x1 plus 2x2 minus x3 plus s1 equal to 5. First constraint is okay. Now 2x1 minus x2 plus 2x3 plus a1 equal to 2. Now here minus x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 minus s2 plus a2 equal to 1, such that x1, x2, x3, s1, s2, here it is s1, s2, a1, a2, all are greater equal 0. You know a1, a2 are what? Already we have been mentioned about s1, s2 here. So a1, a2 are what? Artificial. These are artificial variables, and this m is greater than 0. It is sufficiently large positive quantity. Whatever required to us, that much we are taking to it. So here initial basic feasible solution can be written as, here IBFS is, what would be? S1 equal to 5, A1 equal to 2. These are 0. Now here S2 is also will become 0. These one, because S2 won't be negative, so it will become 0. These one 0, so A2 equal to 1. Now in objective function, look at, these are 0, S2 is 0, S1 is 5 but its coefficient is 0. So this one gives us value 0, but it will give a non-zero value. So A1 is equal to 2, A2 is equal to 1. So here 2m plus 1m. So it will be 3m, for which z is equal to how much? 3m. Therefore initial Therefore, initial simplex table is what does that table? So here CB, B, CJ, X1, X2, X3, S1, S2, A1, A2, here XB, ratio. Now the coefficients of X1, X2, X3 are, and all other variables 2, 4, 1, 0, 0, M and M. This is from objective function. Now here S1, A1 and A2. These things, whatever in initial basic solution we are getting, these one in our basis. Now S1 having a coefficient 0 in objective function, A1 has a coefficient M, A2 also has a coefficient M, Zj minus Cj. Now here the coefficients of variables from constraint. So here 1, 2, minus 1, it is what? X3. Here 1, 0, 0, 0, XB is 5. So 2 minus 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 2. Now minus 1, 2, 2, 0, minus 1, 0, 1 and 1. Now you know what is Z here? Summation CB XB. Same formula, whatever it will be 2M plus 1M. So it will be 3M. Already we have been seen here. Okay. Now let us check what are Zj minus Cj. So here this is 0. Here 2M. 2M plus minus M. 2M plus minus M will become M. M minus this 2. So it will be M minus 2. Now here 0. This is minus M plus 2M. So again M minus 4. M minus 4. Now here 0. This is 2M plus 2M. 2M plus 2M, 4M minus 1. So it will be 4M minus 1. Now it is 0, 0, 0, minus 0. So 0. Here we are taking product with this. Remember. Now here it is 0, 0. Again this is minus M minus 0. So it is minus M. We are taking product and we will add them. Here 0. Here M. 0 plus M is M. Plus 0, so M minus M, so it will become 0. Now 0, this is also 0. Here M minus M is what? Again 0 as such. So now here we have to use the condition for minimization type of objective function. Look at here. Here 1 is negative only, other all are positive. So, but most positive, which one is most positive here? This 4M minus 1 is most positive. Most positive. I must write, since not all Zj minus Cj, how does we want? Less equal 0. So this implies current solution is not optimal. Current solution is not optimal. So now pivot element, let us determine that. This is most negative. So let us obtain a ratio. So here we get 5 upon minus 1. So it will be minus 5. You know we have to neglect it. We are neglecting it. Okay. Now here 2 upon this, xb upon this, 2 upon 2. So it is 1. Here this 1 upon 2. So here it is 1 by 2. This is minimum positive here. This one is neglected. So choice among these two. This is 1 and this is half. So half is minimum. So minimum positive ratio is half. So this 2 is our pivot element. So I must write here squared 2 is a pivot element. Squared 2 is a pivot element, implies or indicates that x3 will enter in a basis and a2 leaves the basis. x3 enters and a2 leaves the basis. Therefore improved table is, we have to obtain an improved table by doing some pivot operations. So the table will be, we have to make the pivot element 1 and its other corresponding column entries are 0. These two we have to make 0. This should be 1. So let us prepare an improved table. Now here, this S1 will be same. S1 having a coefficient 0, it is as it is. Now this A1 as it is, having the coefficient m, but this A2 is replaced by x3 having a coefficient 1 in objective function. Now this pivot element we have to make 1. So for that, divide this row by 2. So here we get minus half. This is 1, 1, 0. This will become minus 1 by 2. This is 0. This is 1 by 2 and again 1 by 2. Now we have to make these entries 0. So for that, for making this entry 0, let us do an operation R2 minus R3. We have to do changes in R2. So R2 minus R3. So 2 minus of minus 1 will become 3. So here I get 3. Then minus 1 minus 2. So I get minus 3. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus of minus 1. So it will be 1. 1 minus 0. So 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So as such we get 0 in second row. Now this minus 1 we have to make 0. So for that, let us perform an operation. R1, we have to do changes in R1. R1 minus or R1 plus, which is negative. So plus, if we will do R1 plus 1 by 2 R3. We are using R3 for that. So what is R1? 1, 2, minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 5. Now let me multiply by half to this. So it will become minus half, 1, 1, 0, minus half, 0, half and again half. And now we have to add them. By adding we get here, it will be half, 1 minus half. So half, it is 3, it is 0, 1, it is minus half, it is 0, it is half and 5 by 2 plus half, 5 plus half, it is 11 by 2. As such we get the entries. So first row half, 3, 0, 1, minus half, 0, half and 11/2. Okay, as such we get the entries. Now let us check what are Zj minus Cj. Zj minus Cj, let us determine them. Now here 0 plus 3m minus half minus 2. So it will become 3m minus 5/2. So here it is 0 minus 3m plus 1 minus 4. Look at it carefully. 0 minus 3m plus 1 minus 4. So it is minus 3m minus 3. It is minus 3m minus 3. Now here 0, 0, 1 minus 1. So 0. Here 0, 0, 0 minus 0. So 0. Here it is 0, m minus half. So I get m minus half. Minus 0 is there. So 0. This is m. 0. M minus m. So it will become 0. This is 0 minus m plus half and minus m. So minus 2m plus half. Now again, not all Zj minus Cj are less equal 0, since not all Zj minus Cj less equal 0 implies current solution is not optimal. Is not optimal. Now two positive quantities are here. Look at, this is negative, minus 3m is there. You know m is large positive, so it is negative. This is also negative. Now two are positive, this one and this one. Among these, which is most positive? Most positive is 3m rather than m. So this is most positive. So this is our pivot column. So this is pivot column. So let us determine a ratio for getting pivot row. So 11/2 upon half. So we get the ratio 11. Now here I get 1/3. Here I get minus 1, which is neglected. We have to neglect it. So this is minimum positive. So minimum positive is here. So means this 3 is our pivot element. So here squared 3 is pivot element, which indicates that x1 enters in a basis and a1 leaves the basis. x1 enters and a1 leaves the basis. Therefore, the improved table is. What does the improved table? So now in improved table, this S1 is as it is, having a coefficient 0. This A1 is replaced by X1, having a coefficient 2. This X3 is same, having a coefficient 1. We have to make this 3 as 1. So divide throughout this row by 3. So it will be 1 minus, it will be minus 1. It will be minus 1. Here it is 0, 0, 1/3. It is 1/3. It is minus 1/3. It is again 1/3. Okay. Now we have to make this minus half 0 and this half also 0. So to make this minus half 0, let me do an operation, or let us first of all do for R1, and let me do an operation. R1 minus 1/6 R2. It must do the operation R1 minus 1 by 6 R2. So what are the entries of R1? 1 by 2, 3, 0, 1, minus half, 0, half and 11 by 2. This R1. Minus this 1 by 6 times this. So 1 by 6 times 3 will be half. 1 by 6 times minus 3 will be minus half. 0, 0. This is 1 by 6. This is 1 by 6. This is minus 1 by 6. And again 1 by 6. Now I have to do subtraction as their signs are same. So this will become plus, minus, 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 minus. This will become plus, minus. Okay. Now this is 0. 3 plus half. So it is 7 by 2. Now 0. This is 1. Now minus half minus 1 by 6. So it will be LCM will be 6. Minus 3 minus 1 will be minus 4 by 6. So it is minus 2 by 3. It is minus 1 by 6. Okay. Now here again 1 half plus 1 by 6. It is positive. So 6 ratio is, LCM is 6. So 3 plus 1. So 4 by 6. So 4 by 6. So it will become. So it is again 2 by 3. Now 11 by 2 minus 1 by 6. So LCM will be 6. Here it will be 33 minus 1. 33 minus 1 by 6. So it will be 32 by 6. So it will be 16 by 3. 16 by 3. So the entries are 0, 7 by 2, 0, 1, minus 2 by 3. It is minus 1 by 6, 2 by 3 and 16 upon 3. Now let us determine for third row. For third row we should perform an operation. It is minus half, so let it make here plus half. So for that the operation is R3 plus 1 by 6 R2. So the entries of R3 are minus half, 1, 1, 0, minus half, 0, half and half. So now let us multiply by 1 by 6 to this R2. So it is again half. This is minus half, 0, 0. So this is 1 by 6, 1 by 6, minus 1 by 6 and 1 by 6. Now we have to add them. So sign doesn't changes. So adding 0, 1 minus half will be half. This is 1, 0. Then minus half plus 1 by 6. Look at here. Minus half plus 1 by 6. So LCM will be 6. It will become minus 3 plus 1. So it will be minus 2 by 6. So it is minus 1 by 3. Here it is 1 by 6. Here again half minus 1 by 6. So it will, LCM will be 6. So it is 3 minus 1. So it will be 2 by 6. So it is 1 by 3. The most simplified form will be 1 by 3. Then next, the addition of these two, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6. Again LCM is 6. Now 3 plus 1. So 4 by 6. So that is 2 by 3. Okay. So these are our entries of third row. So 0, 1 by 2, 1, 0, minus 1 by 3, 1 by 6, 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. As such, we get the third row. Now let us check what is Zj minus Cj. If all are negative, then the optimal solution. If not, then again we need to go for next table. So here it is 0, 2, 0, 2 minus 2, so that will become 0. Here it is 0, minus 2 plus half, minus 2 plus half, minus 4. So it is minus 6 plus half, minus 6 plus half is what? Minus 11 by 2. Minus 11 by 2. Now here 0, 0, 1 minus 1. So it will be 0. This is 0, 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. Now it is 0. This is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. Now here 0. This is 2 by 3 plus, look at here, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6 minus m. So 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. So minus m plus LCM will be 6. So what is here? 4 plus 1. So 5 by 6. So minus m plus 5 by 6. So it is negative quantity because m is sufficiently large positive number. Now the last Zj minus Cj is, look at here, 0. Here it is minus 2 by 3. Here it is plus 1 by 3. So it is minus 1 by 3 minus m. So minus m minus 1 by 3. So all are negative, but this 1 by 3 is positive. So still it is not an optimal solution. So since not all Zj minus Cj greater equal, sorry, not greater equal here. What should we write? Less equal 0. So it implies current solution is not optimal. So this is our pivot column, most positive, only one positive quantity, so it is most positive. Now here this is negative entry, so this ratio is neglected. Okay, now here this is positive quantity, the ratio is 1. Here then again negative quantity, so this ratio is also neglected. No need to find out even that. Now again one more thing, here z is remain to find, but it is not optimal. So if you won't find the z, it doesn't affect, or if you want to find, you can find out. It is what? M plus, look at here, it is 0, m plus half. So it is m plus half. Here also what is z? Let us check. This is 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So it is 4 by 3. Here this 1 is minimum positive. 1 is minimum positive. So this 1 by 3 is our pivot element. So what should I write here? Here squared 1 by 3 is pivot element. Square root 1 by 3 is a pivot element, indicates that S2 wants to enter. S2 enters and X1 leaves. X1 leaves the basis. This may happen. Doesn't feel that we had made some mistake. Doesn't feel like that. It may happen the decision variable sometime leaves the basis. Therefore, the improved table is. Now let us prepare a next improved. Now in improved table, this S1 is same, having coefficient 0. X1 is replaced by S2, having coefficient 0. X3 is same, having coefficient 1. So now here this pivot element we have to make 1. So multiply throughout this row by 3. So it will become 3 minus 3, 0, 0. This is 1. This is 1 minus 1 and again 1. Now this entry we have to make 0. So let we add them. So R3 plus R2. Addition doesn't affect the sign, so don't worry. 1 plus 0 is 1. Minus 1 plus half. So it is minus half. Now 0 plus 1 is 1. Again 0 plus 0 is 0. Be careful. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So 0. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. So here LCM is 6. So 2 plus 1. So 3 by 6. 3 by 6 means half. Now minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So it will become 0. Here 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So 3 is LCM, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 by 3, so it will become 1. Okay. Now this minus 2 by 3 we have to make 0. So for that use this row. So I must do an operation R1 minus, it will be plus 2 R2. If we do this operation we get it 0. So here let us write down R1. So it is 0, 7 by 2, 0, 1, minus 2 by 3, minus 1 by 6, 2 by 3, again 16 by 3. Now we have to multiply by 2 here. So it is 2 minus 2. So it is 0, 0. This will become 2 by 3. It will be 2 by 3. It is minus 2 by 3. Then again 2 by 3. So now let us add them. So addition, this will become 2. This 7 by 2. 7 by 2 minus 2. So this is 4. 7 minus 4 will be 3 by 2. So it will be 3 by 2. 0. So it is 1. This is 0. Now minus 1 by 6 plus 2 by 3. So LCM will be 6. Minus 1 plus 4. So 3 by 6. So it will become half. Now minus 2 by 3 plus this is 0. Now 16 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So 18 by 3. So it is 6. So the entries are 2, 3 by 2, 0, 1, 0, half, 0 and 6. Now let us check what are Zj minus Cj for this. Now here Zj minus Cj are 0, 0, 1, 1 minus 2 will be minus 1, 0, 0, minus half minus 4. So it is minus 9 by 2. So 0, 0, this is 1 minus 1. So it is 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 0. So 0, here 0, 0, half minus m. So half minus m. Now here 0, 0, 0 minus m. So it is minus m. Now look at it. These are negative. Now these are also negative. These are 0 since all Zj minus Cj less equal 0. This implies current solution is optimal. Current solution is optimal. And what is Z now here? Summation CB XB. Look at here. 0 into 6. So 0. 0 into 1. 0. Plus 1 into 1. So 0 plus 0 plus 1. So it is 1. Z is what? Z. Which type? Z minimum is this. Z minimum is 1 with. Now no need to write down the value of S1, S2. X3 is what here? With. X3 is 1. But X1, X2 is not in a basis. Means X1 is equal to 0. And X2 also 0. And X3 is equal to. And this is at I can say at x1 0, x2 0 and x3 equal to 1. Z minimum is equal to 1. So using this, no need to use the relation of maximize of Z0 equal to minus minimize of Z. Here directly we get the optimal solution. So here this minimization type of problem can be solved as such by taking most positive element as a pivot column, and we have to look for all Zj minus Cj less equal 0, then it is optimal, otherwise not. Remember this. Now in next video we will start the duality. What does that? Let me tell you in that one. Okay, thank you.